Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19 Excel Chapter 5 Prepare Pro Shop Sales. In its project description, the red golf course and Prepare Pro Shop generates revenue through its golfer services and Pro Shop sales. The Lita Harriet, the Pro Shop manager, receives revenue data on a weekly basis. She would like you help developing an Excel workbook that she can use to analyze various elements of ProShop transactions as well as employee performance, customer reward, and shipping cost. She has a workbook started with some sample data and a framework for the type of analysis she needs and wants you to continue to develop the workbook. This workbook will help Alita make informed decision about their business. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file. Name Excel Chapter 5 Prepare PrepareProShopSales. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file name to the location where you are sorting your file. I have already opened the file. That's our file. We will move to our second step. Our second step is employee at the Red Golf Club and Pro Shop have opportunity to become certified trainer. If they log enough hours, Alita would like you to know which of her employee has certified on the employee analysis worksheet. So we will go to the employee analysis worksheet. That's our employee analysis worksheet. What is saying? In the cell D5, enter a function that will return to the text certified if the number of the training hours completed 50 or more, otherwise return to the not certified. Autofill the function down to the cell D9. So we will go to the cell D5. Here we will put if formula, if then start our formula. If C5 is greater than 50, then the result should be certified, and if it's not go more than 50, then the result should be not certified. So that's our formula. We will close our bracket and press enter. So you have got our results. We need to drag down this formula to up to cell D9. You see we have got our results in the cell up to cell D9. That's our first step. Club member are get 10% discount of all items in the Pro Shop sale. Alita want to keep track of these discounts on the transaction worksheet. So we will go to the transaction worksheet. That's our transaction worksheet. In the cell I10, enter a formula that will return to 0.07 if the customer is a member. Otherwise, return to blank without space using the fill handle to formula to cell I30. So we will go to the cell I10. Where is cell I10? That is our cell I10. We will put here if formula. Start our bracket. If club member is equal to yes, then the result should be 0.07. Otherwise, the result should be empty cell, and we will press enter. Why it's not working? We will remove this inverted comma. So we have got our results. If F10 is equal to yes, so we will drag down this formula up to cell I30. So we have got our results. You see where we have a yes, here it's 7%, and where we have no, it's a blank cell. So our formula is correct. That's our second step. And if you want to know If you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, and if you need help in Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, or if you need help in the Excel assignments, Word assignments, or PowerPoint assignments, or assess assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Now we will move to our third step. Our third step is on the transaction worksheet. So we will move to the transaction worksheet. That's our transaction worksheet. In the cell K10, enter a function that will return to 0.05. So we will go to the cell K10. That's our cell K10. If the customer used cash for the payment and the gross revenue was greater than $100, otherwise return to blank value. So here we will use if formula with AND function. We will put is equal to if start our bracket, then put AND function start our bracket. What is our first logic? Our first logic is customer use payment type for cash. We will use the payment type is equal to cash. And the second logic is if it's greater than $100, what will be our result? Our result will be 0.05. And if it's not, then our result will be blank cell and we will close our and press enter. So we have got our result 0.05. If it's 171, so we will drag down this formula up to cell I30. So you will make a changes like that. You will remove this. So we will got a formula and the percentage. Press enter. So we have got in our formula and the percentage. We will drag down this formula up to cell K30. Here you see where we have less than 100, it's blank cell, and if both things are not carried, then it's also a blank page. 129, it's greater than 100, but here the payment is not Apple Pay, so it's blank space here. So that's our third step. We will move to our fourth step. At the end of each day, Alita would like to classify customer as either high value or low value based on the number of items they have purchased or annual amount of money they spend. On the customer analysis worksheet in the cell F4, so we will go to the customer analysis worksheet in the cell F4, that's our cell F4. What we need to do, enter a formula that will return to the value high if the customer has purchased more than 12 items or if they have a total sales amount is greater than or equal to $1,000, otherwise return to the low. So we will go to the in the cell F4. Here we will put if formula, and in the if formula we will put R formula. So we have got our two logics here. What is our first logic? If the purchased is more than 12 item, so we will select the purchase volume is greater than 12. And other, what is the other logic? If the total sales amount is greater than 1000, so we will put total sales amount is greater than $100,000. Close our bracket. The value, if true, if these two lies, then what is our value? Our value is high. We will type high here. And what is the if? Value is not is if these two conditions are not met, then the value is low. So we will type low and close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our result. If the total sales is less than 714 and volume is less than 12, so our value is low. So we will copy this formula up to, drag down this formula up to cell F16. So we have got our results in the cell F16. That's our fourth step. We have total 17 steps of this assignment. I have performed 4 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. And if you want to deal for your complete course on reasonable price, you can contact me also. You can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video, or you can just comment on this video, so I will reply you soon. Thank you.